What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the Passive Income Trucker channel. And if this is your first time seeing me, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want to get notified when I upload new videos, also hit that bell icon. And if you get value out of the video, please give it a thumbs up. Be greatly appreciated. Now on this channel, what we do is talk about affiliate marketing, cheap, easy, inexpensive ways to promote affiliate products, such as products from Clickbank, Digistore 24, Warrior Plus, all those platforms, etc. So, if you follow along with me, or if you are a subscriber to my channel, you'll know that I do my lead gen secrets, which is a copy and paste system using Clickbank primarily. Now, I do have other things in the works outside of that, but for the purposes of this video, I will be going over the My Lead Gen secrets in Clickbank, and I will see you on the inside. My name's Curtis, aka Alright, so first things first, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and log into my Clickbank. We're going to see how it's been doing. I let Digistore 24 come back to Clickbank for the last couple of weeks. And as you can see, about every 3-4 days, I've been getting a sale. Now, it might not be much, but it is getting a little more consistent. On 6/21, I made $20.38. 6/28, $57.34. 7/5, $26.24. 7/12, $62.55. So it's kind of up and down as far as the amounts, but for the total of this month so far, $115 out of 5 sales, and last month was 98. So that's getting a little bit better. Still not great, but I will tell you that I have added one more account of my Lead Gen Secrets. So I have 8 of those accounts and one organic lead, My Lead Gen Secrets. So what we're going to do is, if you do not have a Clickbank account, make sure you get this first. It's free. It's easy to do. All you got to do is sign up for one. And if you don't see that, just, hit sign up right there, fill out all this information, and make sure you got your password wrote down somewhere, because it's going to ask you for a bunch of this crap just to be safe. But anyway, you'll need to make your account. Like I said, it's free to do, and create yourself a nickname once you are inside your account. So we're going to go back to my login. And your email or account nickname can be the same, whichever you choose. Now, as I showed you my dashboard here for the amounts I've made, we're going to go to reporting right quick. And you can see I am currently promoting Right Apps Review. So I've made the most money with it so far. 3 sales there, 4 there. So 7 in total. But and I got 9,757 hops to it. And we're showing initial sales amount of 46.82 there. One upsell of 28.24 for, the gross amount of 75.06. So anyway, you can see I send out my emails every day, because this is going to be up and down as far as the hops go. And I've got it tracking by ID, which all these that say WARM, whether they be in little letters or caps, they're the same. This was from the other ones. But for a total of 5,745 hops right now. And all the statistics down here at the bottom are the same as what you seen a while ago. So that's for the last 14 days. But let's go to My Lead Gen Secrets now. And this is an account you'll need too. If you don't have one, You can go to, myleadsensecrets.com. There'll be a link in the description below for it. And hit use my secret now. And then you enter your email address that you want to use for it. And then hit click to get started. And then it'll ask you for all the information that they need. And like I said, I got 8 of these accounts. Now, if you don't have any accounts, I'm going to tell you right now, this gives you a monthly subscription fee of $30. Now, to set it up, it's going to cost you another $30. So the first month, $60. After that, just $30 a month. But what it gives you, and I'll show you right here, is 100 leads per day, every 24 hours. So that's up to 3,000 leads in a month. I currently have 200 leads per day because I've actually daisy chained under myself. And you can have multiple accounts with this. A lot of people do it, and support knows about it, and they know about it. And you can send out emails. Just free copy and paste emails all, every 24 hours. And these leads don't go nowhere. They're held right in here. Right there. Now you can also download them and then to a CSV file and then re-upload them if you want to in an autoresponder if you got one. But you don't need one specifically with this. And you can browse all these leads, see where they come from, who they are, their names, all that stuff. I'm not going to bring all that up for privacy reasons. But also, when you sign up, it's going to try to sell you these email swipes right here, I think, for another $60. You do not need them. I don't recommend buying them, but if you want to, that's entirely up to you. They're mainly for the My Leads In Secrets. But you can use them for other things as well if you change out the links. So we're going to go to the mailing system on the first one. Now, I've already sent out all my emails for today, but we're going to run through it right quick. I'm going to show you how easy this is. I mean, even a 5th grader can do it. When you select all, it's going to move all your leads over here. This is my oldest account, my first account. I got 51,800 leads. Now, this is the email I sent out this morning. I'm just going to load it. But I'll show you, I got it from the marketplace right here in your Clickbank account. You go to e-business and e-marketing. That's the one you want to use because most people within the My Leads In Secrets are looking to make money online. They've opted in somewhere. That's what they want. So that's the best thing to use for it. Don't use anything like gardening or weight loss or anything like that. Just use e-business, e-marketing, or you can, let's see here. Let me go back right quick. Or you can use like computers and internet if you want, because they got like keyword researchers, easy page builders, stuff like that. Some people might want that stuff, but you can see the amounts on them are not all that great. But it's up to you. So, in e-business and e-marketing, what I've been promoting is this right here, the right apps to get paid to review apps on your phone. Now, you can do this or not do it, but because it's on the first page, but you can hit gravity there and it shows you that's the 3rd one down at the moment. But you go to the affiliate page of that, or some people call it JV Zoo page or JV page, whatever you want to call it. And it brings up this for you as an affiliate marketer that has everything you need to try to promote this particular product. Now, the email swipes, which are here, go all the way through 20. And I don't believe, I'm not doing the email swipes right now. What I'm doing is the landing page. Let's see, landing pages. There we go. See, everything they promote within this has got its own landing page. Like this one says earn $20 and earn an hour listening to Spotify. So, but let's see, where am I at on them? think I'm towards the end. I'm not sure which. Let me see here. Turn on Spotify. No, that's not the one. Anyway, you'll see it when I go through the mailing system and what I got in the. Sorry, my nose was itching there. But what I got in the email itself. You know, in those email swipes, you can copy the subject line, paste it in right there. You can use short code for the first name right here. That's all I suggest you use, bracket to bracket, if you want to put it in there. Just adds a little personalization to it, that's all. I personalize mine a little more with highlighting the links and adding a picture at the end. So, and then, you know, you see perfect timing here. I'm not sure if I can. Hang on, let me see. It's not going to let me click on a link without the preview right there. See, there'll be a send email and then there'll be a preview there when you're doing these. See if I can copy this right quick. Let's see if it'll go like that. Because that's a link. Nope, didn't work like that. Anyway, I can't. All right, I can't show you this without the preview button there. Well, I highlighted that. Let me see that. Okay, here you go. Here's the link. We can copy it right quick, and we'll just paste it in there. And it should bring up what I am promoting for today. Yeah, earn money for getting freebies, $280 a day. This is part of Right Apps Review. So that's the link. Now, when you take these landing page links, you want to make sure, like right here, when you get the link, it'll say your affiliate ID. You want to change it out to whatever your nickname is or your affiliate ID is right there. And I've also got these linked behind the link, as you can see, as you saw a while ago, where it says WAR MLGS 1. I mean, Right Apps Review, My Lead Gen Secrets #1. And I showed you in that where that is tracking that. Oops. Go to reporting, not that. You go to tracking ID there, and you can see right there. Although for some reason #1's not showing up down here. I'm not sure why. I don't know if I've got it maxed out in there or what. But anyway, I know it's going through. So that's basically it outside of, let's go back to the mailing system. And let's cancel that. And like I said, if you want to add a picture, what you have to do is, you know, go below. If you want to go below it there, just hit that little picture icon and go to like Facebook or anywhere you got a picture online that you can copy the image address for. This happens to be, Facebook happens to be mine. It's easy to do. And I just pick up, go like, you know, copy image address, this right here. That's what you want. Go back to mailing system, hit paste it in there, and then you can set your height and width. I usually set mine at 150. Now that's not going to send it, put that in there, of course, but I'll cut that back out. There we go. And it's as easy as that. Just copy and paste. And if you don't have multiple accounts, here's what you do. On your home page, right here is your main link for your affiliate link for My Lead Gen Secrets. Just copy it. Go to another tab. Close out of Facebook there and that new tab there. Paste it in your address bar. Hit enter. It'll bring you to this page. Of course, you want to, like I said, go to use my Lead Gen Secrets. Use my secrets now. And then enter a new email address. You can create up to, I believe, 5 Gmail addresses. Use Yahoo, Hotmail, whatever it is you got. But it's got to be a separate email address every time you create a new account. Now it will be up under yourself. What that'll do is give you another account. Gives you 200 for the 200 leads every 24 hours for the first account, 100 leads for the second account. So that can equal up to what 3,001, 33,000, 9 up to 9,000 leads in a month for just 2 accounts. But it's going to take you a little while, about 2 months, and get that built up. But also, if you look at your affiliates page, go to commissions, you will get commissions for being up under yourself. You see, I'm up under all my other accounts. I've already earned a little bit off the first 2. Just gives me 2 months free during the year for those accounts, basically. So that's kind of a win-win there. It doesn't, account for the other 10 months, but when you start hitting commissions pretty good, it'll eventually pay for itself. Mine's taking a little longer than some other people's for some reason. I'm not sure exactly why, but I'm not really doing anything different. I'm just doing it. So, as you can see, I am starting to make a little money off of it. I'm going to continue to work on it. If you want to continue to follow me, please do so. Like I said, make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell icon if you want to get notified anytime I upload new videos. And I'll be making some other videos about various ways to promote Clickbank products and other affiliate marketing platform products. So stay tuned for that as well. And if you get value out of this video, please hit that thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next one.